What are you doing?
Alright guys, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use a typewriter. Because a lot of people, this day and age, do not know what a typewriter is or how to use one. So we're going to feed the paper like so. This is how you feed the paper. And you want it on the edge so that it's straight, like that. Oh, you got to do this. Hang on. You got to do this.
If you're curious, this is the only thing in the museum that you can touch.
Okay, but don't
okay.
touch anything else.
Don't touch anything else, got it.
Got it.
There's a lot of stuff that looks like you can touch it, but this is it.
Okay, why is not feeding? Hang on.
Sometimes we have to.
I got it now, I think.
It's one of those say, or maybe it's
Slide it in first.
down and then go. I can't remember how to do it.
Oh no, this is not good because we're on video right now. Alright guys,
There.
I'm gonna make it work. There
You
we
just didn't
go.
have it in far enough.
Okay, so how you use it, we're gonna have to edit this. Are you like, did you cut?
No. Just keep going.
So you feed it, right? And you feed the paper. And then you go this to start from the beginning. And then if you don't want it on the edge, you go space, 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 space. And then you go capital F, capital F. Hang on. But, and then when you hit enter, how do you hit enter?
The return.
This one?
Yeah.
No, that is not enter. That's not enter either. Where's the...
The enter is that bar.
Oh yeah, this bar.
Yeah. So much for old people knowing how to use it.
How do you hit enter? There's no enter key. You gotta remember, there's no enter key on a typewriter.
There's the return bar.
So you're gonna say hello.
You should say hello from the future.
Oh yeah. We are from the future. It's so much work. You can't go very fast either.
And you can't
because
make
it gets
mistakes.
stuck. Well, you need to white it out if you make mistakes. It's so much effort to use a typewriter.
Okay, I'm gonna wrap up. Say your final words.
This is hard work, guys. I'm so glad they invented computers.